Hello, Twitch. Good evening. How's it going? Why have I got somebody called Discord for streamers in my channel? I don't know if that's a person or if that's a bot or what's going on. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. We are going to be doing some more Blazor stuff this evening. I have got a shiny new set of 8 cores, making for a total of 16 in my PC. That was scary. Thermal paste and removing and replacing CPUs and things. Yeah, not my area of expertise. But it seems to be running okay. It's been running quite happily all day, and it is noticeably faster, particularly opening new solutions or opening solutions in both Visual Studio and Rider. The bit where it goes project loading, doesn't last as long, which is really nice. It was a 3700X before, so last year, about June, I think it was, my old PC died. I don't know what I did to it. I killed it, and so I had to get a new one, and the 5000 series wasn't out yet, and so I skimped on the CPU. And I just got the 3700X because I knew the 5000 series was coming and it was going to be awesome and all that kind of stuff. And then I was really, really good, right? I'm not normally financially responsible. I'm not that guy. But I saved up. I set up, I said, I'm going to give myself £25 a week of pocket money, which was a thing. I watched something with Scott Hanselman, where he and his wife get pocket money, and it goes into an account and they can save up and then they can spend it on whatever they want, and the other one's not allowed to judge them. And so I did that, and I've been putting £25 a week away since June last year, and yeah, it reached 900 quid, and then I got a stock alert from eBuyer saying, hey, we got the 5950X in stock if you're still looking for one. And I was, so I did, and I got it, and I'm very happy. So now back down to 40 quid in the savings account, and because it was not quite recommended retail price, it was £8.50 plus delivery. But compared to the scalper prices that they've been going for, I thought good deal. So now £25 a week is going to go in for however long it is, and then hopefully after the summer I will have enough money in there to get an RTX 3000 series GPU, which will be very nice. So news and stuff. I don't know if anybody saw C# Fritz, Jeff Fritz, is a streamer. He's been streaming for ages and he's got like 9,320 something followers. But he's been streaming himself building this thing he calls ClipTok, which is it's like a discoverable social media meets clips from Twitch in a TikTok style or something. I don't know. But yeah, he set it up and streamers can kind of opt in or opt out of being included on it. But I have opted in to being on it. So yeah, you can go to, so it's ClipTok. I'll stick this link in the chat, cliptalk.com, and yeah, you log into it with your Twitch account, and then you can sort of view clips from your favourite streamers, or go to Discover mode. So if you go to here, and you've just got Discover clips, and it just shows you random clips from people and you can find the kind of stuff that you like, and you can watch Fritz doing the things. I think it's just so. I think they are just the clips from Twitch. So yeah, no, I don't think it provides any functionality that that Twitch clips don't provide out of the box. It's just a new way to find them and like them and all that sort of stuff. And that's all built as a Blazor app, and all the back end is running on Azure as cheaply as possible. Yes, that is an infuriating limit. But I'm pretty sure he's not hosting the video separately. He's just kind of representing the Twitch clips stuff. So he's just using the links and the embed code and things. But that looked quite interesting. And so I thought that was good. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk about quickly was Cocoon, which was the thing that I was working on when I started streaming before we moved on to this Blazor funniness. But that's been sitting on GitHub, and it's actually getting some followers and users, and it's had 24 stars and 6 forks, and I've closed 8 pull requests. People just updating code and adding docs, and somebody has been messaging me. Somebody's actually using it at a FTSE 100 company to do a bunch of things, and he sent me a few pull requests, and he's got another one coming that does something with HTTP client factory and proxies and all that good stuff. But yeah, because I think like load balancing, the issue with HTTP client, it kind of goes, I know the IP address for this domain, and I will remember it until your program crashes. And it's one of the things that HTTP Client Factory is supposed to be able to resolve. So anyway, but yeah, it's really nice that people are using that and contributing to it and the stuff. And I should really make more of an effort to package it nicely and put some proper information about it somewhere other than GitHub. But anyway, for today, we're going to be doing more with the Blazor bot thing. So I'm just going to do a .NET Watch in here, which is my thing there. And then I'm going to go down to display 4 here. And I'm turn on my thing there. Failed to determine the HTTPS report for HTTPS port for redirect. Why are you? Have I got use HTTP redirect? Yes, I have. Look, there we go. So we don't want that, and we don't want that because we're not redirecting to HTTPS because that would be bad. Okay. And then that works like that, and like that there. I'm going to move that over there. What I am building, Carl, I'll show you what I'm building by typing nonsense into the chat. So if I type bang images into the chat here, in theory, no, because that was the thing that I was planning on doing today. So localhost this, and then dashboard. Right. So now we can go bang images, and my chatbot, which runs locally on my machine here, you see, says you can do boom or oh hi Mark or Perry, and then if I do boom, that appears on the screen, and I can click that and make it go away again. And I've got buttons on my Stream Deck and everything. So yeah, it's basically, I have always had a bit of a thing for letting people mess with me while I'm performing in some way. I used to do stand-up back in the day. I was actually a professional stand-up comedian for 2 years because I'm that funny. And when you're doing live comedy, people join in. Oh, love the people for joining in. There you go. You see, you can make it go boom, and then I can make it go away again. And there could be sound. And yeah, I'm going to start mucking about with CSS animations so you can make things kind of move around the screen and whatever. But yes, I like letting people. I've made things so that while I'm speaking, people can kind of go into a chat room. Did the oh hi Mark work? So I'm doing that thing where no sound on the oh hi Mark. Let's just go into here, and we'll go into here, control audio via OBS, Overblaze. That should have had audio. No, so the thing that this does is it's a Blazor application, and it's got a dashboard, and it's just sitting there, and then it's actually serving a page on OBS, which is the overlay page. So hang on, can I bring this down? So yeah, here's the OBS thing. So it just goes to overlay there, and then that just displays things directly over the page using a Blazor page, and yeah, it's just there, which means you don't need an extra display. So theoretically, if you were just streaming from your laptop, you can just do this. But OBS, yeah. So one of the source types in OBS is a web page. So yeah, so I can click oh hi Mark, and that did appear to do the audio that time. So maybe the audio doesn't work very well the first time it does it or something. So I've got monitor headphones now and everything, so I can hear what's coming through the thing. So no, I can't hear that. Anyway. So yes, so I'm going to add some more features to this tonight. So let's go in and we'll have a look around the code. So what actually happens here? We've got two endpoints, two pages, dashboard, which is my view, and then overlay, which goes over the top of the actual stream. And it's quite cool now I've got it running with .NET Watch as well, because it'll just reload, and sometimes when I change the code, you'll see it actually reloading while the thing's running. But no, definitely no sound. Okay, we can take a look at why there is no sound. So the other thing we can do, you see, is we can open localhost and then we can go into overlay here. So this is the same thing again, and then I can do that, and I can do that, and with this one I can do that. And then in here I can press F12 and we can go to Elements, and we can drag that down like that. And so basically there's nothing in here, and so if I do oh hi Mark, so that worked in my browser version of it. I definitely heard it there. Is it just very quiet? I can't do anything about it being very quiet. It's turned all the way up. Oh no, I think the reason you heard it very quietly is because it came through here. It's not playing through through this thing here. So if I go into properties for this, and do, I don't know what browser thing they're using. That's the thing, and I don't know, because there are issues with whether you're allowed to play audio in a browser on their window. So we might have to muck about with this a little bit more. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, so this is not good. This looks terrible. So this element here, right, so the problem here is that basically col1 is not enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my code here and into my dashboard, and I am going to so we'll have a div.col-4, and then in here we're going to have an h2, which is going to be images, and then we'll have a div.col-4 and an h2, and this can be sounds. Try that. How do we make this? Oh, I just cannot remember any of Bootstrap. Bootstrap 4, because we are still Bootstrap 4 to do, and then components, buttons, sizes, btn-block. So btn-block, save that, go back to here, and right, there we go, that's better. So that's my images, and then my sounds should be over there, but it's not yet because I haven't actually filled that in. So we are going to @inject sound store. Save, save, save. Keep on saving all the saves. and then we're going to have string underscore sound names equals array dot empty string. Nice thing about having an application that's just supposed to run, actually in this instance, this is Blazor server, but yes, there's really not going to be thousands of people logged into this. It's never going to be published as a sort of something.com onto internet. It's just, I mean, I could, but I'm not gonna. It's just sitting here, so I don't have to worry about allocations and performance and all this sort of stuff. I can write terrible code, and some tests. I'm going to write some tests soon, take a look at BUnit and see how that works. But yes, okay, so sound names, and then in here we can say underscore sound names equals soundstore.get soundnames.to array. And then here we can say at for each var sound name in underscore sound names, and we will have a button.btn like that. And we will say at on click equals underscore to sound click sound name like that. And we can grab those like that. Put that in there, and let's make these like that, and sounds can be it's when I'm putting in error to make something red, I can kind of see why people like Tailwind. So create method sound click down here. Async task sound click, and then we will await control bus dot add async new play sound name like so. Okay, it's reloading super fast as well. I have to say, this is .NET 6 Preview 3, and that's how long it takes to reload. That is really quick, and theoretically it's not losing any state or anything, although I have yet to actually try that. Okay, so now if I go back to here, we've got applause, and if I do that, but I don't know if you're hearing it. See, it's definitely appearing in there, but it's not playing the sound, and I don't know why. It's really weird. I can see in my little audio mixer thing, I can see the sound playing. It says Overblaze, it's playing. I just don't know why. Properties. And you guys are saying you can't hear the audio either. So I have file. Where's my settings? Settings, audio. Desktop audio is default. I should be capturing the so this checkbox here basically says take the audio from the page and control it via OBS, and so I can't show you this, but hang on, let me just grab the thing. So so yeah, you can see here that Overblaze, which is my overlay, has got its own thing in here, and I promise you when I click that button it says it's playing, but you guys and I can't hear anything either, and I should be getting something coming through these headphones because they're set as the monitor device. Audio monitoring device is this. Disable Windows audio ducking. OBS, disable Windows audio ducking. If you're experiencing sound volume reduction when OBS is opened, try checking it. Just do that and then go back to here and click applause again. I have no idea why that's not working. And the most vexing thing is it does appear to be working. It looks, so OBS, the sound is playing. I can see the sound playing. So anyway, I will investigate that separately because that is not a thing for now. So let's make it rather foolishly so that people can play sounds. So there's a play endpoint here. Where's my bot? Where's my bot? There's my bot. I've done something that I just would generally not do. I'm keeping everything all in one project to try and keep things sort of nice and simple and easy. So client.send message, Twitch auth.username.lower invariant, message. And then we can return out of there. Otherwise, we'll say var sound equals await underscore. Whoop. Let's add a sound store in here. Sound store. Introduce a read-only field. Sound is not null. Var play sound equals new play sound. sound.name await control bus.add async play sound and return. And then now should be able to do applause in here. HTTP 429, that's enhance your calm. Am I being throttled? I'm being throttled. Okay. So then log into, yep, so there we go. Now you can trigger it even though it's still not actually playing in people's ears. People can't hear it playing. So that's no good. Right. Now the other thing that I really want from my point of view is we have got an image endpoint here. So this is I've got my Stream Deck set up here, and you can see here set from file, and if I go to Twitch images, src overlays root. Yeah, so I can press my Perry button and make Perry appear on the screen, and that's done with additional endpoints on my little service thing. That lets me hook it up to my Stream Deck. So Stream Deck has this thing where you can just get a URL in background, and so I could so this is a website, so I can drag another one of these on. Where are we? Website, and do that, and then change this to boom, and we can set the icon from a file, and we can go out to here and Twitch images boom, and then the URL for that can just be boom and get request in background, and see I can do boom. Haha. But what I want is a clear endpoint as well. So that's my show endpoint here. So I'm going to copy this type, and this is going to become the clear endpoint. And then this is going to be clear. And so all this is handled between the dashboard and the application and the overlay that's running in the window there over this control bus. So this is a singleton that exists within the application, and then we can just send messages over it. And so play sound is a message, and we can just have public record clear all, which is just a really weird. Wow, that's insane. you can just have a object. You can have a record with no fields, and so it's just a type. It's like we're doing F# or something. So yeah, and then we can just say control bus dot, oh, we can say await control bus dot add async new clear all, and that does that. And then I just need to handle that in the overlay code here. No, I need to go into control bus. So control bus, the original way we did this was weird, but then we have public event action clear all. Oh no, we're going to make it a func of task like that. And then in the overlay, we can say control bus dot clear all plus equals clear all, and we can create that method in here. And then all we have to do is say underscore images dot clear and underscore sounds dot clear, and await invoke async state has changed. And that should be fine. So let's save that, and then we can put the boom on the screen. Boom. What's happening here? Localhost / overlay, and we can go boom, and then we can go into here and we can see what's not working. Okay, run attach to process, and .NET Core processes over blaze.exe. What we haven't done is in control bus, we have to say case clear all if clear all is not null, await clear all dot invoke, like so. And just disappear for a second because I've broken something. Oh, we need the break because it's a case, it's a switch. There we go. And then we can turn that back on again. Boom. So then all I need to do is go to my startup down here and say endpoints.mapget clear, comma clear endpoint.clear. So that's good. We like that. And we can save that like that. And then I can go back into my stream elements thing here, and I'm going to add another website, and it's going to just be clear, and the URL is going to be /clear, and we'll say get in background, and then we can do that, and then we can go boom and Perry and clear, and everything goes away. So now if people go nuts and kind of, yay, there we go, and it goes away. Still no audio? No? Damn it. I'm just gonna... Yeah, it definitely shows us playing, but it's not making it through. I don't know why. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, you cannot share in your own channel. There's all these emotes and things and stuff, but people have things in their channels where they can, so there's these stickers, which I've got the little .NET bot down underneath the chat thing there. So you can earn channel points and watch Mark Rendell and earn stickers and unlock rewards and learn more and stuff. And I was wondering if I can get those to integrate, so I could kind of have stuff where people have to redeem stickers to play things. And so here's how I learn about these things. So we've got a Twitch client here, which came from twitchlib.client.dll. And we got a client there that connects. And so if I go into here and I do private void foo, just for a minute, and I do _client dot. So yeah, look, there's a whole bunch of things in here. This is how I learn libraries and frameworks and things, is from IntelliSense. I just open them up and I go ba-bam. I forgot to send out the tweet that said I was on Twitch, so now that's gone out. I should really be able to hook that up to do that for me. But yeah, so client dot will replace emotes, joined channels, these all seem, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. And there's a whole bunch of void functions. There appears to be stuff there. But I can't. So channel emotes dot. Yeah, that's just a list of all the emotes that are on the channels, on the channel. So on being hosted, thank you for the follow, Twitchloff, much appreciated. Can't see you in the chat, don't know if you're actually here, but if you are, thanks very much for the follow, love it. So there appears to be, hey, Twitchloff, there you are, you appeared in the chat. Good to have you here. So you can do things when there's a subscription or a gifted subscription, or a message received, or all sorts of things. There's a raid notification, there's a resubscriber. So I could hook things up to all of this and kind of go, do this image and do that thing and hook all these kinds of things. On ritual new chatter, on existing users detected, on self raid error. You can, there's an event handler for if you accidentally raid your own channel. There's an event handler for if your raided channel is a mature audience. I am loving these event handlers. But there's no event handler for stickers. So let's Twitch API channel points. Bits. Get bits, leaderboard, get cheer motes, get extension transactions. Channel points. Create a custom reward, delete a custom reward. Returns a list of custom reward objects for the custom rewards on a channel. No, okay, so event sub does things here. I assume all of this is happening inside the thing. C# Twitch client. This is the one that I'm using. Live stream monitor service. So that to do that, and then we get your API, and then you create a live stream monitor service. On stream, online, on channel set, on service started. All this good stuff. So do we have live stream? No, that's not in there. What packages have I input? So I've imported twitchlib.client. Let's manage NuGet packages and we'll look at twitchlib. .api. Yep. Let's bring this in and see what this does. Apart from restarting the project, so live stream monitor service. So we've got a WebSocket client there. Var API equals new Twitch API. Whatever. And then we can just pass API in there. Var monitor. So what can monitor do? Monitor dot. Don't think that's going to let me do anything there. API dot helix dot bits dot get cheer motes. So this is where all the actual good stuff is. I might have to be looking into this separately. So Twitch API channel points redeemed. Let's just introducing the channel points API. So channel points become a core part of how communities interact on Twitch. Rewards are now an important way for communities to celebrate their unique culture and identity. We have a unique culture and identity, we do. My little community here, all of you. Twitch integrations will be able to manage and fulfill custom rewards with the following capabilities. So, a number of developers will be joining us in the spot. Mega Cat Studios allow viewers to spawn in-game items to help out the broadcaster. Better Points has created a way for viewers to redeem channel points in a way that affects a broadcaster's stream components directly in OBS. That's basically what I'm trying to do. Well-known Twitch integrations that will provide channel points custom rewards in the latest version of their application, such as Sound Alerts and Gleam. So Event Sub, we defining the event types we deliver. Right. So it's Event Sub. API dot helix dot event sub dot create event subscription async. This looks like what I want. So code. TwitchLib. API. We got examples in here anywhere? Supports all documented Twitch pub sub. TwitchLib API supports this. Undocumented, those. Follower service, live stream monitor, message throttler. Oh. Let's turn that off like that, because that's not looking good. Oh, I've got right. So let's jump back to here. The URL provided in the callback field must use blah, 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 blah to create a subscription. So how is this api.helix.eventsub.create event subscription async? Oh no, see, that's no good, because that requires it to be running on a web server somewhere, and I don't want it to be running on a web server somewhere. So let's go back to here. What's PubSub? Trying to listen to events that an account does not have. We got this. configuration builder, do that there. Listen to bits, listen to follows, listen to rewards, listen to subscriptions. So we can navigate around here now. And we got an on reward redeemed. Which goes to here. Unfulfilled. So, welcome back, Carl. Also, the tiger who came to tea. Yes, I have to make sure I'm off stream by 8:45 sharp tonight, because we're watching the second half of the Lego Masters USA. Because I loved Lego Masters on Channel 4. It was awesome. And yeah, the Americans are doing their own Lego Masters, and of course, being Americans, it's just bigger and better, and it's got Will Arnett hosts it. It's on E4, or it's on one of the fours, and you should be able to catch up with it on all four. But yeah, it's the American one, and Will Arnett, Lego Batman, the voice of Lego Batman, hosts it, and it's quite funny. He's quite funny. I like him. So there should be 2 episodes so far on all 4. But yeah, we watched the first half of the second episode last night during our family time. We have half an hour before the first child has to go to bed, which is family time, and we watch something. So we're watching the second half tonight. And then I'm reading The Paninis by Andrew Stanton, which is, if you've got kids aged sort of 6 and up, I would say. There's an author called Andy Stanton, and he wrote a series of books about Mr. Gum. You're a Bad Man, Mr. Gum is the first one, and then there's a bunch of others. There you go. You're a Bad Man, Mr. Gum. And it is just, he is a genius. He is, it's like Monty Python for children in a book. It's great. Highly recommended. And he finished the Mr. Gum series, and so we got a new book by him called The Paninis, which is set in ancient Rome. They are, that one is illustrated by David Tasman, but it's a very similar style. Yes, it's in the sort of scratchy, blotty pen, Molesworth. So yes, Gerald Scarfe, Quentin Blake, School of Art. Yeah, anyway, the Paninis, completely bonkers. So it looks here like there is this pub sub thing. And we can do things with this. So I'm gonna go back to here and twitchlib.pubsub and install that. And then your man here with his example. Channel ID is going to be my username. we've got a pub sub there. Where is he setting? Anyway, never mind. So let's say private pub Twitch pub sub underscore pub sub, like this. Go away. And then we can say var pub sub equals new Twitch pub sub underscore pub sub dot connect. And so we had this listen to rewards down here. So we can say underscore pub sub dot on reward redeemed like that. I don't know, this is potentially just crashing all over the place now. But I don't think it is. And then we say pub sub dot listen to rewards channel ID. I just jump back up to the top here. So we do all of that and then we, yeah. So underscore pub sub dot listen to rewards. Oh no. Listen to so this is obsolete. Listen to rewards listens to an undocumented / retired / obsolete topic. Consider using listen to channel points. But there is no listen to channel points. Listen to channel extension broadcast. Listen to bits events. Okay. Underscore pub sub dot on channel subscription. On raid go, on stream up, stream down, subscribers only, view count, channel commerce received, channel thingy thing mcthing bobs. So that should do something in there. And then what we need to do is viewer rewards, channel points, enable challenge points, manage rewards and challenges. So we've got a sound alert trombone. So if I go to my stream manager here and do that, get started. Manage rewards. Manage rewards and challenges. Sorry, let's bring this down where you guys can see it. This is the Twitch thing here. So we've got a custom reward and it is enabled. Channels with custom rewards have up to double the point redemption rate. Ooh, how exciting. Don't require viewer to enter text. Sound alert trombone shown as an available reward. Redeem. See, that does that. And then theoretically that will go away again in a minute. So reward icons and all this sort of stuff. Okay, so let's jump back into here and TwitchBot. The audio for that, no, the audio for that is coming through an external service called Sound Alerts. But the idea is by using this Twitch pub sub thing to get it to come through iLogger, TwitchBot. And then in here we can say _logger.log information reward redeemed e dot reward title, like that. Redeem. And I did not get that. What is this? Channel extension broadcast. Listen to chat moderation actions. Listen to bits events. PubSub. Because this is using WebSockets. All topics require an OAuth token, but only some topics have a specific required scope. Channel points channel v1. Need the channel read redemptions thing there. That's your Doobery. So /channel dash points. No. So let's go back to here. Underscore client dot. Let's go back to here. So channel points channel v1, and then we can go back to here and we can just search in this repository, and nope. Oh, that's your man with his example. So this is your twitchlib-pubsub. Issues. So this has been merged. This adds a single method, listen to channel points, and a new event on channel points reward redeemed. This has been tested and is fully working, but has not yet made it as far as the NuGet package, I'm guessing. NuGet.org, twitchlib, pub sub. There's a preview version. So, manage the NuGet packages, show pre-release, upgrade to that one, and then we can say underscore pubsub dot on channel points reward redeemed plus equals that. e.reward redeemed redemption reward title. Yikes. Underscore pubsub dot listen to channel points. Username dot to lower invariant. Got rid of the bits events as well. How is it connecting? Where is it getting connection information from? So WebSocket client. Client options. So let's do this here. Okay. And then we can do the sad trombone again. I just don't understand how it's authenticating, because it says it needs to authenticate and this is not authenticating. Desktop socket, new WebSocket client. Token source. That's a cancellation token source. That's just .NET. initialize client, start monitor task. See what is it? How are you authenticating? Trying to listen to an event that an account does not have and require OAuth will return bad OAuth. Code accordingly. Example repo. So this guy seems see, that's only doing the API stuff for that thing there. So I don't see how that's doing that stuff. Unfulfilled when a user redeemed the reward, fulfilled when a broadcaster or moderator marked the reward as complete. Has done that there. So that's doing that. That's doing this thing here. So let's gonna jump out to here and jump into here. See, that appears to have worked. So let's just redeem that again. And that is not having that. And I just don't know . Stop again. And start again. to try step debugging through this, and we'll see what happens if we do that. So F10, 10, 10, F11, F11. So according to that, we are connected and we are listening. I'm going to have to ask for some help on this from the people who actually make the Twitch lib, because according to the documentation here, all topics require an OAuth token. With the channel read redemptions thing in there. But I just can't see where it's getting an OAuth token from. Is it using your browser session? No, it's not running in the browser. It's running as a standalone service. So it's not in the browser at all. And the example application is a console application. So according to this, auth_token if OAuth does not equal null, sends the topics. Listen to topics. No, it looks here like this is wanting the OAuth token here. Listen to channel points. So then that calls listen to topic. And that, right, okay, got it. So down here, we say _pubsub.send topics, and then in here we can pass our OAuth token. Access token like that, and then what we need to do is jump into my Twitch auth, wherever the hell I've put that. There we go. And find the scope that I needed for this. So channel read redemptions. Custom reward is redeemed in a channel. Like this. Okay. And I'm going to come back out to here and do .NET Watch again. And then we're going to go back into here. I'm going to go to dashboard. Application, local storage, and I'm going to just delete both of those and refresh this. Refresh. See, we've asked for a new scope. View channel points, custom rewards, and their redemption. So we can say authorize that. And then we can go down to here. And that can continue. And now, if I redeem this reward, that is still not coming through there. Unless it just takes it a minute. I don't know. So if I run attach to process, that one, and then my Twitch bot here, got that, and we'll just do this one more time. Nope, that's not working. Run this. So that appeared to do the right thing. Let's just jump into here and go to application, local storage for this. Get rid of those. Stop this again. Hit this like this. That's done its authorization. Back to the dashboard. into here. And then we can just go to here and do redeem. And it's not gonna play. It is not gonna play, and I don't know why. And I have to stop because I have to go and watch Lego Masters USA Part 2 of Part 2. Because, yeah. So that has not... That's a very unsatisfying end to the stream. But we will be back on Tuesday next week at same time, same place, and I'll do some investigation on this in the meantime and see if I can't figure out what's going on and why it's not getting the information out. And yeah, so cool. Have a great rest of your evening. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back here next week, hopefully. Cheers, everyone. See you later.